Hey guys, it's your boy Mr. Debonair. Tara, mag-ride tayo. Ang tagal na nating hindi nagra-ride guys. So naalala nyo ba tong scooter natin na to? Si Rusi Rapid 150. At as of today, happy 3 years old sa ating napaka-reliable na motor. Pang hardcore, pang sosyalan. Pero may bago tayong gagawin ngayon guys, and explain ko rin kung bakit napakatagal kong nawala. Pero for today, hindi natin gagamitin si Rusi Rapid. Gamitin natin to today. Okay guys, nandito na tayo ulit sa ating motovlogging session. After so long, gano'ng katagal na ba? I think 2 years, 1 year yung huling nag-vlog ako. Pero I'm coming back to you guys with a lot of updates tungkol sa mga riding experience, riding journey ko. Teka lang magugo na yata. Anyway, kahit off camera, nag-ride pa rin ako. Kasama ko pa rin ang RE North. Shout out. And madalas pa rin ako mag-ride. Pero there are a lot of things that I want to share with you guys, lalo na sa kung anong ginagawa ko na ngayon bukod sa pa-ride na lang. And actually doon tayo pupunta, doon sa pupuntahan natin ngayon, yung aking malupit na sorpresa. Today is 5 PM. Napakainit ng panahon. Happy summer sa ibang mga kabataan dyan na nagbabakasyon. Just a quick update, mga bike check. So as of today, tatlo na yung motor ko ngayon. Right now, I have yung nakita nyo kanina sa umpisa ng vlog is si Natasha, ang aking Rusi Rapid 150. Siya ang aking daily pa rin. Gagawa pa rin ako ng episode 3 doon, yung 3-year review. Kamusta na siya, ano nang ginawa ko sa motor, and things like that. Second is yung GT natin, yung Royal Enfield Continental GT 650. Nandun pa rin siya, and minodify na natin, So ang ginawa natin doon is nirepaint natin. Yun yung pinaka major na change niya. Blue pa rin siya, and pinalitan natin ng clip-on bars, pinaikli natin yung tail, rear fender delete tayo. Actually hindi siya delete, binawasan lang natin. Bagong headlights, bagong seats, basically yun pa rin. Performance wise, stock pa rin guys, alam mo naman tayo, stock gaming. Pero yun pa rin ang ating pang long ride, pang far and wide, at pagkasama ang RE North. And there's this guys, kakukuha ko lang to actually, wala pang 1 month. Vespa Sprint 150cc. It's similar sa color nung GT ngayon ni Victoria. It's deep blue. Pero may pangalan siya Estrovero color blue. Sarap niya gamitin guys. Gagawin ko rin ng review to. Yung riding experience so far, 340 kilometers ang binabiyahe na ito. Nabili ko to sa Vespa Malolos. Pero samahan niyo muna ako guys, papakita ko sa inyo kung saan tayo pupunta, and magkwentuhan pa tayo doon. Let's go. Okay, nandito na tayo sa Marcos Alvarez sa may Moonwalk, Las Piñas. Promise guys, walang traffic dito. Yan o, walang wala. Alright, paliko na tayo. Alright, dito na tayo guys. Clutch Auto Spa. Ganda ng motor oh. Okay guys, so nandito na tayo sa Clutch Auto. And tulad ng pinwento ko sa inyo, nandito yung GT. So ito yung gusto kong sabihin, no? Nag-iba na yung itsura niya. So kung naalala nyo, yung stock tank niya is light blue, which is yung Ventura blue. Yan, so repainted na siya. Medyo madumi lang kasi hindi ko masyadong ginagamit ulit. Walang ride eh. Okay. So ito naman yung studio. Nandito ngayon yung Vespa natin na Sprint 150. Yan. So at the moment, ceramic coated siya ng graphene. Good for 5 years. Yan. Ganda, di ba? Siyempre, meron siyang clutch auto. Vespa. Okay. So guys, yun yung kinikwento ko sa inyo about changes na nangyari sa akin over the past few years since matagal tayong hindi nagkakwentuhan, hindi ako nakapag-upload ng videos. Ngayon ko na ikikwento, no? So, during the time na naging busy tayo, I decided to leave my work and start a company with my best friend. At ito na yun, ito na yung Clutch Auto Spa. And sinusundan ko yung passion namin to work on cars, work on motorcycles, obviously, Moto Debonair. And to make sure na, you know, kung paborito mo, might as well pagkakitaan natin, di ba? So right now, we are located in Molino 3, Bacoor, Cavite. And as you can see, no, sa Clutch Auto Spa, we work on car wash. So may car wash kami, may wax. We provide ceramic coating and graphene coating services. At gumagawa rin kami ng pintura. So as you can see, meron tayo ritong pinipinturahan na Toyota Hilux. Yun yung ating malupit na painter, si Dongdong. Yun, no? So, yun yung mga projects natin ngayon na ginagawa. And we're fully operational. We offer full services on the items na na-mention ko. And don't worry guys, I will still continue to do motovlogging, although it will be on a different page. So, hiwalay na yung Clutch Auto YouTube page at yung Moto Debonair YouTube page. So more of my motovlogging will be done around the Moto Debonair YouTube page. And ito, itong pinapanood nyo ngayon, yung Clutch Auto, it will be the page that you're watching now. We're going to be sharing our experience, our journey, feature some of our clients on our videos. Para makita nyo kung ano ang day in and day out ng auto detailer, painter, and all that good stuff. Nag-offer din pala kami ng tint kung gusto nyo, and soon enough mag-offer din kami ng PPF. So matututunan nyo lahat yan very soon. And for now, I hope you continue to support the Clutch Auto page the same way that you have provided support over me bilang Moto Debonair. Ako pa rin to guys, huwag kayong mag-alala. It's just that I will also be sharing my journey in this business through this YouTube page. So anyway, hindi na ako magtatagal guys. Uuwi pa ako, don't worry. Sasabayan nyo pa rin ako. And watch out for our future videos sa Moto Debonair. I-feature natin itong Vespa at yung Continental GT, kung ano yung mga nabago. And yung pinakahihintay nyo, yung Rusi Rapid 150. So anyway guys, this is your boy Mr. Debonair, also Mr. Clutch Auto. So salamat sa pagsubaybay and let us know what you want to see first sa unang full-length video ng Clutch Auto page. So thank you very much and watch out for our new videos. Peace!